Hello, so I was building a staking solution that helps users to bring Bitcoin into Starknet and take Bitcoin from Starknet into Bitcoin Lightning Network. So maybe I can just start from scratch. I'm using 2FA. I'm using 2FA to for security purposes. So every transaction that a user will be performing will be due to the 2FA. So just to begin from scratch, I'll just create an account. Let me first delete everything from the database. I'll just delete from users. Then yeah, so I'll start by creating a user. So I'll sign up a new user. So after signing up the user, they have to confirm their email, yeah, because it is the one that will be used to if they forget password and such. So that's what I'm doing. So account has been created. So right now I'm supposed to be receiving an OTP. So here is the OTP. So let me just enter it. And for security reasons, they're supposed to set their two-factor auth. So I'm using TOTP for this. So you can use the authenticator app that you decide to use. So for demonstration purposes, I'll just use this extension that will allow me to scan. So I'll just scan this. Let me scan it. To add it, so it has been added. So now we are verifying it. Let me just verify it. And 2FA has been successfully created. So now we are being redirected. So now this is a new user. The wallet has been created. So I'm using Carvos and Atomic SDKs for this purpose. So right now when I go to my database, you can see our user has been created and our wallet has also been created. So this private key is not real private key, it is encrypted from Carvos. So Carvos is handling everything for me. So right now these are the actions that I can perform. This is my on-chain wallet. This is my Vault wallet, my smart contract that has been deployed to Starknet Sepolia. And then we can perform various actions. We can deposit, we can stake, we can unstake, we can withdraw, we can bring Bitcoin to Starknet, we can take Bitcoin from Starknet into our Bitcoin chain. So first things first, before we do every other step, we'll take Bitcoin from L1 to from Bitcoin to Starknet. So what I'll do, I'll just put an amount that I want to bring. So let me just put 5,000 sats for now. So every single action, because of security, we are supposed to be authenticating every action. So this is a second layer of security because it deals with people's finances. So security is of utmost importance. So now this is the invoice. The amount has been embedded into the invoice. So right now I can just come and paste the request. When it is successful, the amount will be deducted from here, and then yeah, and then it will be increased to our wallet. So swap completed successfully. So our wallet should be loaded with cash right now. So you can see we have 4,500 and something sats. So now I'm doing polling so that I can get the real-time balances. So right now I can deposit. So this is my on-chain wallet, and then this is the Vault wallet for the user. Yeah, so this is the user's on-chain wallet, this is the user's Vault wallet, and this is the staking balance. So for this one, I'm using Cairo to do everything, to manage the balances and such. So right now, let's say I want to deposit something like uh, 2,500 sats into my Vault wallet so that I can be able to stake it. I can just click the deposit, and then I will just enter this information. Yeah, so let me just copy it and verify it. So the request is being processed. So after some time, you will see the balances that have been moved. So for this solution, I've used Cairo Starknet smart contract. For the smart contract, I've used Cairo. For the backend, I've used Nest.js. For the front end, I've used React and TypeScript. So we can just confirm this transaction. You can just confirm this transaction. Yeah, so it has been settled. So as you can see, this is the address, and as you can see, it is from our database. Yeah, 156 ending with 156 ending with 156. So that is the first action. So we have deposited the amount. So I will integrate it with Vesu or any other application solution for the staking. So right now, so this I have this amount in my on chain, I have this amount in my Vault wallet. So let's say the user wants to stake, so they can choose the amount they want to stake. Let's say they want to stake something like 1,500 sats. They can just stake it, and again, for security purposes, we are doing this so that for every solution, the user can be able to use maybe their Google Authenticator app or such to handle the transactions. So the request is being processed. So I'm using Postgres for my database to handle everything else. So now you can see 1,500 has been staked into our smart contract. So now the user can decide maybe they want to unstake the amount. So let's say they want to unstake the entire amount. So 1,500 maybe after some time, but the balance will increase with the rewards that will be coming at staking. So they can just unstake, and again it's a right operation. So I'll just copy this and paste it over here, verifying, processing the unstake. When it is a success, the balances will be updated accordingly. And because of polling, it's a real-time thing. So this is the transaction hash. When we come over here, we'll see everything that is being done. So as you can see, it is settled from the L2. And again, the wallet address is the same as the users. Yeah, so the other action that we can perform. So now the user maybe doesn't want to stake anymore. Maybe they just want to withdraw. So they can withdraw from my smart contract or from Vesu smart contract or any other smart contract, and then they can take it to their on-chain wallet. So maybe they want to withdraw the entire amount. Maybe it's 2,500 that they want to withdraw. So I can just click withdraw, and again, because of security, just verify. And then if it's a success, the on-chain wallet balance will increase, and then the Vault wallet balance will decrease. Yeah, so the transaction has been successful, the transaction hash has been provided, and again I can just try and enter this, and it is settled, it is accepted on L2, and again this is the user address. So these are the inputs that I'm using. You can see the amount, you can see the address that we generated when the user was logging in. And now let's say for instance the user now wants to withdraw from their on-chain wallet into the Lightning L2. What they'll do, they'll just go to their wallet. So if they're using Electrum or any other wallet, Mycelium or any other, so for me I'll just use this. What I'll do, I'll just paste the request. Let me just refresh it for the balance to be updated. So I will just create an invoice, and maybe I want to transfer something like 3,000 sats. I'll just create the invoice. It has been created. I'll copy it and then I'll paste it over here. And again, because this is a very important operation, we'll have to enter our TOTP. Okay, let me just wait for the new one. Yeah. So you can use any, they can use their authenticator app or any other that they prefer. So once it is a success, our on-chain balance will go down, and then our balance over here will go up. Yeah, transaction completed successfully. As you can see, our on-chain wallet has gone down, and our balance here has gone up, as you can see. So now that's it for me. And again, the stacks that I've used Nest.js. I've used for the backend, I've used Cairo for smart contract. I've used Postgres for the database. I've used React and TypeScript for the front end. I've used Carvos and Atomic SDK. Carvos for the invisible wallet, Atomic SDK for the transfer of the sats from the Bitcoin Lightning Network into our smart contracts. So in future, I'll integrate with Vesu or any other, yeah, so that it can be full-fledged. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.